Hi, this is Dennis Feidner, CEO for CFO on the Go. Hey, another great addition to our custom program, and our programmer's been pretty busy lately. So here it is. You need to be using the service module in Sage 100, and if you are, here's what we've done. We're just basically extracting the information for any date range you determine from any company that you have, if you have multiple companies. And then we're retrieving, and you can read these columns with me, but I'll do them with your work order, who the client is, what type it is, because we can have different types, the start date, the complete date, the status, who is a technician, who is a salesperson on this one, what were the estimated hours and the actual hours. And this is said demo data. I don't have a lot of that information in here. What was the total labor charge of the work order, material, other. So here's my total cost. Here's what I billed, and here's my profit. So I can show you profitability by each individual work order. As you know, in Excel, I can filter this and say I only want to look at equipment or new installation, and I can filter down that way. Or the way I like to do it is to come over here to a pivot table and say, hey, I only want to look at contract. These are all the work orders for the contract. Again, demo data, so not a lot of information here. On this one, I actually built something for $1,500 and had a $1,500 profit. Let's just say I want to look at equipment. I actually have one that's, must be this one, new installation. There's quite a few. And for this new installation one, I only want to look at new installations when Carlos was the technician. So there is the profitability on the work that is done by Carlos for Jessica on new installations. Let's look at repairs. There's all the repairs that Carlos did. So it's there it is. I'm going to take him off. So here's all of the work orders that were categorized as repair type. There's the revenue. There's the cost. There's my profit. Now, if I want to break those down and say, hey, how did I do with my friend Jessica? These are all the work orders with Jessica, which, by the way, has most of them. There's the profitability for Jessica. So as you can see, and I can collapse these rows if I need to, I can filter this any way I want. Only the ones with Carlos. Only the ones with Bob Barker. Only ones with Steve Nash. Anyway, ability to filter this stuff. And so if you have thousands of work orders, and some of you do, you have thousands of work orders, and you're trying to figure out which type of work order actually makes you the most money, this is the tool that will do that. Slice and dice this thing into information that you can actually use and make use of. This can be actually exported into graphs, exported to another spreadsheet for even further analysis. So, but this is a great way to really cut it down to what you're looking for. And even just working off of here and just saying, hey, just give me, I don't want all, I only want what we looked at before, repairs. I just hit OK. Those are just the repair ones, and there's my subtotals. I could do it off of here, just a very simple spreadsheet. And then provide this to the technician. If I do it by technician, say, hey, Carlos, this is what you're doing. This is how well you're doing for us. Come back in here, turn the filter off, say select all, and it's all back. Anyway, it's being retrieved directly from Sage 100. No keying, no redundant efforts. Basically, put your date range in here and hit refresh. Done. Look at the data, make decisions, make more money. Name's Dennis. Have any questions at all? Want a free trial of this? Just give me a call at 800-659-5851. So 800-659-5851. My name's Dennis. Just really give me a call. We'll get you a free trial. Thank you.